Here we have the left-hand door on the SAAB 9000. In the US it's driver's side. There is the lock post that goes through the door card, and your locking and unlocking is controlled by that actuator. And if you look, see if I can get the light back there. If you look back there, that plate right there on the right side by that plastic black trim, window guide or whatever that is, it's like a window guide, is the plate that connects the lock cylinder down to everything else. That also levers, I don't know if you can see, if I can get the camera down in there. It's also attached to the actuator here. So we have this short metal linkage to this pivot arm, and then that pivot arm actually goes back to that back plate. So if I turn the key, you see what happens. Everything falls. But that plate back there goes up and down, which in turn pulls or pushes down on the actuator. I don't know if you can see, but back there in the back, see that little blue ball joint? There is a short metal rod that actually connects to the arm on the edge of the cylinder, and the only way you can see that is by taking the door handle off and reach it from the outside of the door. It's the only way to get to it. If that pops off of the rod, or if it pops off that lever plate right there, then what you see it doing, the key cylinder pulls up and down on that blue rod right there, on that blue ball joint. That's what shifts the plate. The plate shifts the lever pushes up and down on the actuator. Or vice versa, if you hit the button on the central locking, this will go up and down by itself, independently of the door handle and the lock cylinder. But it is also tied to the bar that goes up. So you can also unlock it by hand, which does not affect the cylinder or that blue ball joint back there.